Hi, this is something I built because lately I've been working on vector embeddings and we're presenting our work and we wanted to have a tool to explain the topic. So what I have here is a list of Future of Coding podcast episode titles, and I'm using a couple of tools to display it in three-dimensional space, what you can see here using echarts-gl, and they are grouped by some concept. So here I have a group at the bottom: out of the tar pit, no silver bullet, magic ink, intercal, worse is better. So this seems to be the corner of all influential papers. Here at the top I have research recap, seems to be all the research and reflection podcast episodes, the first ones. Here I have, let's see, democratizing web design, maintenance, building for developers, aesthetics, replit. So this seems to be the humanist design corner. So what this is doing is I'm using transformer.js, which is a library to run machine learning models on the web. And the model I'm using is this one, which takes text and returns a vector embedding of the text. And conceptually, in high dimensional space, things that are related semantically are close in that space. But of course, I cannot draw or display a chart in 360 something dimensions. So then I'm using these two libraries, t-SNE, which is a technique for dimensionality reduction, the classic one, and a newer one called UMAP, to reduce these high dimensional vectors into 3D and displaying it here. So what you can do is you can add, remove your list of words and sentences, pick the algorithm, pick the arguments for the model, and calculate. Every time you run it, it's going to display something different because it starts with a random matrix. But most of the times the grouping kind of follow the same structure. Sometimes they are clustered closer together. Play with the epochs. I found out that like higher epochs usually clusters things closer for some reason. I built this tool to play with vector embeddings and 3D visualizations. I should add color as the fourth dimension at some point. If you want to play with it, the amount of libraries and the model is like 30 megabytes, so I'm not serving it in any place I own. But you can go to GitHub, Marino Web Vectors, and either you just download apps, it will download everything for you, or go to the release page and there's a zip file, a tar file with all the dependencies inside, paid by Microsoft and GitHub. So if you have any question, let me know. I probably won't know how to answer, but I will try. Bye.